If you're wanting to check your ERC refund status, I've got you covered. Stay close and let me show you exactly how to go about it. Now, first of all, the thing that we need to remember is for any business relying on the ERC for financial support or monitoring their fund or their refund is crucial. So the ERC refund can actually significantly infuse funds, helping companies of all sizes navigate challenging economical times. However, navigating the process of checking the status of an ERC refund can be complex. So let's check out what we can actually do. First of all, contacting the IRS. The most direct way to check the status is by contacting the IRS directly via phone or through their official channels. You can then provide the most accurate details to them, up-to-date information, and they will give you your refund status. Also, checking online accounts. Businesses may also check their accounts on the IRS website, though this often requires access to secure online services. The method does allow for more independent checks, so that is another option. It is not always available, so just keep that in mind. One of the other things is filing a Form 7200. So for advanced payment of the credit, Form 7200 must be filed, and by checking its status, it might require you to track the initial application's progress. So that is another way. One of the other things that we need to consider is understanding the IRS processing time. So it is important to understand that it may vary. It may take a little bit longer for certain cases and also in certain regions or certain areas. Of course, checking the status is not going to be straightforward and easy. However, there is a process to it. If this was helpful, you can drop us a like and share it with a friend. And we'll see you next time.